everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Qualtrics account. If you are done using your Qualtrics account and you'd like to delete your account from it, then here's how to do it. Before beginning, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.qualtrics.com and press enter on your keyboard. In order to delete your account, make sure you're logged into it first. If you're not, click on the login link at the top right hand and you'll end up in the login area. Type in your credentials, that is your email address and your password to log into your account, and click on sign in. Once you're signed into your account and you are in your home page, you can go ahead and click on your name initial at the top right hand corner. In the menu that appears on the screen, click Account Settings. Under User Settings tab, scroll all the way down and you'll be able to see a button that says Deactivate Account. Once you proceed to deactivate your account, you won't have access to anything created by or associated with this Qualtrics account. If you are sure you'd like to do so, click on Deactivate Account. Now, you'll need to go ahead and type in Deactivate in order to proceed forward. Once you do that, click Confirm and your account has now been deactivated. If you ever want to use Qualtrics in the future, you'll need to create a new account and sign up for it. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.